Hello guys, this is Vaish. Two very important updates for both the batches. One is 2021 batch. Your out dates are out. 2021 prelims, mains, everything is out. It will happen next June. That means the regular UPSC cycle. So they are trying to make everything back to schedule because this year's it's like scheduled for October 4. And 2020 students who are now again going and signing petitions here and there and demanding certain things and all. We have told you earlier also, if situations turn out to be good or if vaccines are, there is a probability that vaccines will be out, the exam will happen in October 4. Okay, and even now Supreme Court has told thing about other exams, NEET and other exams. I will show you that news article also. Supreme Court has told that no exam should be cancelled or postponed again. It should happen. Okay, life should continue. Nothing should be put on hold. So the necessary precautions will be taken. So I will tell you the details in this video. Starting with the June 2021 this thing. Okay, so we'll go to UPSC website directly. Before going here, I'll go to UPSC website. So here, if you see, this is the UPSC website. Down you see the scrolling, annual program for examination, recruitment. Okay, these are the entire cycle for all the exams for next year. So they have given it out. So this is the thing. Okay, I had already opened it. I'll close one of them. Okay, so here if you see, this is the full exam calendar for 2021. And down if you go, item number, where is it? This one, 8. Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2021. The notification will be out on February 10th. That also usual cycle only. And by March 3, you have to fill the form and send. After which you cannot fill anything. So if you have to fill it up, you have to fill it up in this cycle. And then 27/6, that is June 27, Sunday, one day, the prelims will happen. Okay, both CSAT and both the papers, morning and afternoon. So that is the prelims. And after that, if you come down on item number 19, Civil Service Mains Examination. It's a 5-day exam, including your optionals and essay and ethics and everything. So it is September 17, starting on Friday. Okay, so it will go for 5 days. So details on which 5 days and what and all timings and all, that will come later. Okay, after the prelims. But this is the cycle. So they are back with the right schedule and UPSC is going to conduct on time. Now for students again who are asking about this thing, 2020. Okay. If you see here, this is a Supreme Court thing which came today, news item, like 11 students actually from 11 different states. Okay, they filed a petition in Supreme Court for this JEE exam and NEET exam, which is to be held in September. Okay, not even October like UPSC. It is to be held in September, and Supreme Court dismissed the petition and told like life cannot be put on hold. Okay, every education thing, everything should reopen. So I'm not reading the article now. You can simply Google this and you will get lot of articles. This came in today only. So today is a day when you are now clear that UPSC will conduct with all the precautions necessary on October, unless it turns very worse or vaccine fails to come out. Okay, within the next 1 month. So September first week you can expect the admit card to come out. Okay, the admit card which usually comes 3 weeks before your exam. So October 4 is your exam. So by September first week or first 15th, 1 to 15, you can expect the admit card to come out. Okay, unless, as I told, something goes worse. So we tell you facts which we find out on the news only. We don't take guesses, because students do like tell us like, sir, take a guess like whether exam will be postponed, whether this thing. You have to first trust the board. Okay, you have to trust the UPSC board, which is actually doing everything as per the need. They won't do something which will trouble the students. So please trust the board for which you are applying for the exam, and wait and believe only those. Don't believe the WhatsApp messages and all these things, because many students were thinking like 2020 and 21 exam will get merged and all those things, and petitions were going around this thing. Okay, internet. So even we made a video and we told that please don't do that, please don't sign petitions and all, and there we also got a lot of hate comments under this. Okay, this particular video where we told like don't do this and all these things. We have got enough and more hate speech under this. Okay, but students who are very serious, they would understand. Okay, like it's not actually required to get postponed. So it's just a way of putting a pressure on the government, like please change that. But at least you should understand that the board knows better than you. Okay, so they will do the needful accordingly. So here we had shown you there's a petition which is going on from some students. Okay, and we told you it won't work also. So if something has to happen like that, the government will themselves take it up, and you don't have to do petitions like this. Okay, so that is about that thing. Now the rest of the video, only those people have to watch who wants to know about like what YCIS team is offering you to prepare for it. Okay, because we are on track, our students are on track, because June 27 is your prelims. Our test series will get over in June first week itself. By June 6th, our test series will get over. So it's a detailed 1-year course which we have designed for you. So batch 1 was complete, and batch 2 also, it's actually complete only for mains. So there will be no more mains enrollment. You cannot join our mains batch as of now unless there is any withdrawal from our students and we can get a vacant seat for you. But only prelims enrollment is there. Okay, so if you want to listen about this, you can remain stay tuned in this video continuously for next 10 minutes. Others can stop watching from here. Okay. So first I'll show you the timetable, 1 year timetable which we have designed for you, which started on August 1st actually. So from August 1st, the second batch has also started studying. Okay, batch 1 was actually started in June itself, and they reached at least I think 8 or 10 tests is complete for them. But for batch 2, the first test happened on August 1, and the second test on August 16th, I have provided them the NCERT test. So they are studying on track. They're studying textbook by textbook, topic by topic, and this will go on. This will go on like August, September, October. Every textbook, every test, every subject, 100% syllabus, including days kept for your optionals. Okay, options, we won't be teaching you anything, but you have to study it by yourself. But we have allocated hours for that. Okay, like at least 2 hours. If you calculate for at least 60 days, more than 120 hours are there. Okay, so like that we have kept everything, days for studying mains, optional, test series. If you see the green color, whatever you see, it's all mains test, and orange color, it's all prelims test. So this is a very detailed one where no overlap between your mains and prelims will happen. You will study everything. I'll go to the end actually just to show you how it will be ending. June 6th, you will get the last 75th test, okay, which will be the May current affair, because obviously without May month completing, I cannot give you the May current affair. So these are all the planned things for you, and this will be enough and more for any student who is serious, who wants to study 300 days. Okay, and if you're lazy, like, oh, I will study only towards the end of the exam, or I'll study like 2 months now, then to take a 2 months break, then this will not work for you. This is someone who is actually dreaming to become that IAS, IPS or IFS officer. Okay, so we will not be having any unwanted breaks. Okay, there will be break time, there will be buffer space in between the timetable and all every day, because there are places where you will do only previous year papers, or you will do something revision. So that time and all, it's like, it's not something new which you will study. You are actually solidifying your knowledge again, okay, by studying the same things again and again. So it will be completely covered, including ethics, essay, all these things. So this is the program. Video is already there, so I'm not going to explain each line by line again. You watch the video of batch 2, which I'll give you. If you come and WhatsApp me, I'll come and give you the link of it. And all our enrolled students on day 1 itself will get this Excel sheet, and you can study accordingly. Now, because you are starting, like today is August 17th or so from here you will be starting. So just start from here. Okay, it's okay that 2 weeks of study is over. This thing you can catch up later, because there is enough and more time of revision at the last, so you can catch up later. Or if you want to edit this, you can edit this and like put here as August 17th and reorder everything. Okay, reorder everything, but the test will be given as per the schedule only, because if we swap anything now, there will be no time to complete all the 75 tests, because it's a very detailedly well spaced test. Okay, and when you join, the tests which are already completed will be given to you on day 1 itself. Okay, like now you join today, August 17th. So here what you see, PT1, PT2 is over, and previous page PT6 is over. So PT1 to 6 will be given to you on day 1 itself, because it's already completed. You can study as per your convenience. Okay, prelims test is not an online test or something. It's a soft copy PDF for learning, detailed PDF. Okay, you can take printout, or you can learn online, whatever you want, you can read it. It's more than sufficient, every subject. What we cover. And on 23rd, as per schedule, you will get this test and you will study along with the other students. So this is batch 2. Batch 1, as I told, it's a different thing and it's over also. And mains you will not be getting. You can study the mains as per what we have given, like where we have put, like, see here, world history. So you can sit and study world history to match up the timetable, because this timetable will be given to you anyway. But on the mains day, this test you will not receive, because our batch is full. Okay, I cannot correct more than the number of students who are already enrolled. So that is why we are stopping the mains. In case any batch comes later or any enrollment comes later, I will inform you. But you can enroll to the full prelims course with the timetable which includes both prelims and mains. Okay, timetable will be given to you anyway, even if you enroll only for prelims. So that is the whole idea. Now going back to the presentation. As I told, details are already out. I'll just show summaries only. So these are the full 75 prelims test designed for you. If you see history, everything including medieval, modern, art and culture, medieval, modern, art and culture, ancient. Okay, all these things are there with NCERT. Then current affairs for 12 months are included. Lakshmikant completely covered I think 3 editions, 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, everything I'll be covering here with page number. And then this is the full test, which will include all the subjects mix. And then this is geography with maps, 2 tests is there. Economy is there with economic survey, environment and science including current affairs, schemes of like every government scheme is came in the news in the last 3 to 4 years will be covered here. International bodies is a new addition which was not there for last batch, where all the bodies will be there, because many questions are coming these days from the international bodies. Okay, so that will be here. So this is the full plan. Okay, and it will include also 250 revision charts and snippet cards. If you don't know what is that, just go and check any of my videos where I'm explaining our MCQs or something. So I will be using the support of some charts and some tables. Okay, it look like this one. It look like this Excel sheet format kind of tables, pictures format, which will help you revise certain things, which is given towards the end of your year. Okay, so that you can revise for the prelims in the last minute. So that will be given. And then this is the mains, which is not, you cannot join now, but at least you can know the course, so that in case a batch opens later, you can enroll. Okay, so this is beginner, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, like that. A person who know to write nothing, okay, you have never written an answer in your life, you can write this MFTS 0, and then we will evaluate and we will give you all the feedback. Like your maybe handwriting is not good, you are not using bullet points, you are maybe like paragraph is not good, you are not highlighting, you are not underlining, or you are not using quotes of any personalities where it is required, you are not including diagrams, no flow chart, what to say, grammar mistakes are there, any basics. Okay, I'll be correcting personally, and that first test itself will give you a feedback on this 3rd October. Okay, 3rd October I'll be getting the papers, and I'll take some 5-6 days to correct it, and then you will get it before the next test. Okay, hopefully based on the number of students now. So then October 10th, you will write the next test. So taking all the feedback which you got, you will write this. Okay, and even if you take it like an open book test, it's okay. Okay, you have to write it and then submit it. That process and all I will tell my students when they are about to write it. But you will write it and you will submit it. Even if it's an open book test, we don't mind. Okay, our thing is initial first 4-5 test. Okay, the learner phase, it's for you to feel that pain, okay, of writing, like compiling, writing, then scanning it and sending it to us. That process you will learn, and side by side you will learn this also, because after every test we will give you the answer, model answer, detailed model answer. So even if you write a blunder, or if you skip questions, still you will be learning all these questions. Okay, we'll give you model answers for you. So it includes everything, evaluation plus model answer with report card. Okay, we'll give you all the feedback also. Then next level, you yourself will keep the book aside and you will start writing. Okay, because you are serious about this exam. If you are serious about this exam, there are some students who, like, after 6 tests or 7 tests, they give up. Okay, those are the students who finally end up failing also. If you are a very serious aspirant, you will write every week or every month or whenever we have scheduled it for you, because it's a 5 months course. It's not like a weekly thing. Okay, over 5 months you will write around 20 tests. So it will be a detailed one covering entire syllabus. This all keywords are picked up from your UPSC syllabus only. Okay, so this is how it is. The number of questions are given, the subject is given, from where questions are picked up, and this will be a detailed course for 5 months. And after February, you will be stopping this and keeping this aside, and then you will study fully the prelims alone. You will revise the prelims alone. And this, when you take these exams, it will not merge with your or overlap with your prelim studies. Our timetable is so well spaced. Okay, but unfortunately, I have closed the enrollment for this mains program as of now. Okay, but I just explained, because in case we have to reopen something, you have an idea. Okay. And this is the offer prices which we kept. So the combo and the mains, the second and third column, you cannot enroll now, because I told 30 seats and it costs more than 100 seats now. So we cannot take in more people for these two. Okay, what you see on the right, these two are not there, but you can enroll to the prelims in this offer price in August month. Okay, this which is given below. Okay, the first one is the original price, which will be the price after August. So this will be the thing: 1 year schedule, complete GS1, that is without CSAT, 75 test, 250 revision charts, 16 snippet cards, and you can WhatsApp me or email me for any queries. Okay, but see to it that when you come and WhatsApp me, and then I give you a video link to watch, you have to watch that, because the answer to whatever you have asked will be already there answered. Okay, because we cannot sit and type answers for every student who comes and asks, because there are hundreds of students, and so it's not possible to repeat the same thing. That is why we make solutions in the video itself and put it out, so that it's like our job is half done. Okay, so this is the thing. More details are there, but I think this video, if I show, it will simply waste your time, because already all these things, all the slides which I show you now is there already part of a different video. Okay, so you can watch that. I'll show you now which video is that. So this is the date, August 16th, the NCERT test started for batch 2, and mains will start on October 3. Okay, going back to the YouTube, if you go here on our channel, I'll show you which video I'm talking about. You have to watch this video. Okay, this one you see UPSC prelims. This is batch 2 video. Okay, batch 1, again, if you want to see, again scroll down here. This is the batch 1 video. Okay, part 1 and part 2, 2 parts were there, where in detail I explained all the course and a timetable, which is a 365-day timetable. Batch 2 is a 325 days timetable. Okay, so all these you can watch, and I'll wind up this video. Today 8:30 we have a session. You can join that session also. We are solving previous year MCQs, and this will help you clear the cutoff this year. Okay, in case you are a 2020 student, you have to watch this series, because you will easily clear the cutoff if you learn over the tricks which I am teaching you here. Okay, so that's about this thing. I will wind up this video. Enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.